Hello everyone, welcome back. Before we move on to the second fossil site, I have a question for you. Have you seen the science fiction movie Jurassic World? I guess many young people are fond of this movie because of the astonishing dinosaurs which make the movie so impressive. Human beings are curious about dinosaurs because they're super big monsters that went extinct in a sudden and mysterious way. Humans are always curious to know more about dinosaurs in the Jurassic period, when dinosaurs were the overlords of the planet. Being overlords of the world today, human beings want to know more about the past of the dinosaurs. How powerful were they? How did they come to dominate the world? And how did they become extinct? To be honest with you, you can find the answers to those questions in Yunnan because a real Jurassic World can be found here. It is the Dinosaur Valley in Lufeng County in the Chuxiong-Yi Autonomous Prefecture. It is 78 kilometers from downtown Kunming. The expressway provides an easy access. The Dinosaur Valley here is the largest resource for dinosaur fossils in the world. It is also the National Dinosaur Fossil Geopark in China. Now, let's begin with the meaning of the word dinosaur. How did the word dinosaur come into being? The word can be traced back to 1822, when a British doctor and his wife accidentally discovered some lizard-like creature fossils in the UK. It was recorded as the first discovery of dinosaur fossils. At that time, since nobody could tell what kind of creature it was, a famous British paleontologist named Richard Owen named this kind of extinct creature dinosaur in the Latin language. Dino means horrible. Saur means lizard. Therefore, the word dinosaur literally means the horrible lizard. However, according to further studies, paleontologists concluded that although dinosaurs looked like lizards, they were actually creatures in a completely different category. Now, let's narrow down the topic to the discovery of dinosaurs in China. When was the earliest intact dinosaur skeleton discovered in China? It was in 1938 in Lufeng County in Yunnan. Who found them? The outstanding Chinese paleontologist Yang Zhongjian, who was called C.C. Yang, and his students excavated the first intact dinosaur skeleton fossil in Lufeng County. Although China was invaded by Japan in 1938, C.C. Yang never stopped his studies of paleontology. He was the founder of paleontological research in China. The first dinosaur fossil skeleton was named Lufengsaurus after the discovery site. The skeleton fossil of the first Lufengsaurus is kept in the Institute of the Vertebrate Paleontology China Academy of Science in Beijing. The Lufeng dinosaur fossil shocked the Chinese paleontology circle in 1938. In 1995, Lufeng County shocked the world of paleontology because a massive dinosaur fossil burial site was discovered here. The estimated quantity of dinosaur fossils underground is over 400. The world-famous paleontologist Professor Ritchie from Notre Dame University in the US commented that dinosaur fossil site in Lufeng is the best in the world for its quantity and quality. The Dinosaur Valley in Lufeng covers an area of 4 square kilometers, among which 1 square kilometer functions as the core sightseeing area, and the rest acts as a research area and dinosaur fossil nature reserve. It is a dinosaur theme park for sightseeing, entertainment, recreation, science research, and science popularization. The logo of the Dinosaur Valley is a copper sculpture which is composed of an ancient globe raised by a huge dinosaur paw. The logo implies that dinosaurs used to be the most powerful overlords of the Earth hundreds of millions of years ago. Do you know how long dinosaurs dominated the Earth? According to the research, dinosaurs occurred around 235 million years ago and went extinct about 65 million years ago. They were overlords of the world for about 160 million years. Compared with the time that humans have dominated the world, it was extremely long time. The Dinosaur Fossil Hall is the landmark of the Dinosaur Valley. The hall features a dinosaur-like roof. The hall covers an area of 10,000 square meters. It is a museum to display skeletons of the Lufengsaurus. It is also the core area for the nature reserve of Dinosaur Fossil Geopark. The most important treasure in the hall is an intact preserved skeleton fossil of a Lufengsaurus discovered in 1938. Up to now, more than 50 dinosaur skeletons have been restored, assembled, and exhibited in the hall. One more surprise here is the largest dinosaur fossil skeleton in Asia. It is a dinosaur that was discovered in Lufeng County. Judging from the restored skeleton, it is estimated to be 27 meters long, 60.5 meters tall, and 30 tons in weight. It is called the superstar here because it has been exhibited in the US, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, and Hong Kong. You may wonder how these dinosaur skeletons were assembled. The answer can be found in the fossil workshop. Actually, all dinosaur skeletons here are the achievement of 3 generations of paleontologists. They spent more than 70 years cleaning the fossils piece by piece and assembling them carefully according to the original posture of the buried dinosaur. To assemble a skeleton is a difficult job. It usually takes 1 to 2 days to clean a single piece of a fossil. Consequently, it will take over 2 years to finally assemble a skeleton. This job requires curiosity, patience, and carefulness. The fossils of hundreds of dinosaurs still remain in the earth, and paleontologists excavated some to show visitors the large quantity of fossils here. Discovering dinosaur fossils is like putting a puzzle together. All small puzzle pieces should be properly collected and correctly assembled. Then it is possible to complete the entire picture. The extinction of dinosaurs left many myths in human civilization. Every skeleton is a storyteller of the dinosaur age. Their stories are waiting to be detailed through further studies. Besides the area for research, there is an area for science education. It is called the Dinosaur Camp. The camp is a dinosaur knowledge center. Modern technologies are applied here to tell visitors general knowledge about dinosaurs. For example, how to distinguish between a plant-eating dinosaur, an omnivorous dinosaur, and a carnivorous dinosaur. What kind of environment they lived in, why they need to eat all the time. There is also a Jurassic amusement arcade where visitors can just have fun. The most impressive part is a 3-dimensional cartoon movie to introduce how dinosaurs went extinct. This is the question that everyone wants to know. What caused the extinction of the dinosaurs? The cartoon movie illustrates some assumptions from the studies of paleontologists all over the world, such as climate change, the Ice Age, acid rainfall, and incredible natural disasters. Among them, the most widely accepted one is the collision of an asteroid on the Earth. Probably, there was an asteroid which crashed into the Earth. The collision resulted in worldwide earthquakes, landslides, volcanic eruptions, and forest fires. The poisonous gas and volcanic ashes remained in the air for a long time, so plants could not receive sunlight. Because plants did not have sunlight, they gradually died. Consequently, plant-eating dinosaurs did not have food and finally starved to death. At the beginning, the large-scale death of plant-eating dinosaurs provided enough food for carnivorous dinosaurs. However, as time went by, most dead bodies of plant-eating dinosaurs went rotten and decayed. There was no more food for carnivorous dinosaurs. They finally starved to death too. This is the explanation to the extinction of dinosaurs. In my opinion, here is the enlightenment we can gain from dinosaur fossils. Everything is tiny when facing the irresistible power of nature. Protecting nature based on further studies of the Earth and the universe can be really meaningful for the future of humans. Do you agree? Okay, that's all for the fossil history of Yunnan. See you next time. 这节课中涉及的相关词汇，同学们请看这里哦。